So right now I am meal prepping for the week. It's Sunday, March 2nd. In rotisserie chicken, I got vodka sauce on low heat. I got protein pasta. This is gonna be one meal, and eating burgers tonight. And I'm watching Crash Dummies podcast. They're actually really funny. This is absolutely dope. I'll show you my POV. So cool. So cool, and it's still following me. This is amazing. I want to just pop it right off. It should work. Yeah. It's on the fridge now. I unboxed my new case, and it has like slots for everything. I don't know if I organized it the right way, but yeah, it's not bad. I can put all my different filters up here, chargers and other stuff in the back. This is the bag it comes with originally. Here's the pack of them. I'll make sure to review these. I also have this as well. Show you a little sneak peek of what I'll unbox for you guys, but I'm gonna put the DJI up on this thing and see how it works.
Look at the flick of their wrist. Look at the flick of their wrist.
Rev up those fryers!
This dog is staring right at me. He smells my yummy yargas. What we got? I look like the theater thug. Give me your money. Bow. Ooh. Bow.
I don't know. Where did I get that from? Is that from the Ricola?
Yeah.
Is that young?
I don't know none of that. I don't think.
It's yelling off a cliff.
Yeah.
Why do I think yelling off a cliff is yelling, bro?
Anyway,